Hello guys, and welcome to this lecture in this course Data Analysis and Visualization in Microsoft Copilot. Today we are going to talk about data cleaning and transformation basics in Excel with Copilot. Data cleaning and transformation are essential steps in data analysis. In Excel, these tasks can be streamlined with the help of Microsoft Copilot. This guide covers the common data cleaning and transformation tasks in Excel, and how Copilot can assist with each task using natural language prompts. First, let's start with removing duplicates. Removing duplicates is a common data cleaning task to ensure data integrity in Excel. Here I have a data table prepared for this lecture. In column A, we observe that there are duplicates. In column B, there are missing values. In column C, there are numerical values. In column D, we have names separated by commas. In column E, we have cities, and in column F, we have symbols for these cities or states. So now we are in column A. What we want is to remove duplicate data. If you are someone who does not know how to do it, there is an easy way to accomplish this with the new Microsoft Copilot. Simply click on Microsoft Copilot, and once it opens, you enter the prompt you wish. It actually suggests some options, but we want it to remove duplicates from column A, so let's enter that. Remove duplicates from column A in my dataset. Send the command. You can observe that Copilot cannot perform it directly as it clearly shows here. But the good thing with Copilot is that it will guide you by showing how to handle it manually. So what does it say? Select the range of data in column A. So here I select the range of data in column A, then go to the Data tab in the ribbon. We have the ribbon. Go to the Data tab. Click Remove Duplicates. Here it is under Data Tools. I click on it. In the dialog box, ensure that only column A is selected. So I make sure only column A is selected, and once that is done, I click OK. No duplicate values found. We have an error. And that's an example of how Excel Copilot guides you through data cleaning, even when the dataset doesn't behave as expected. Let's try again. OK. As you notice, select column A and then click OK. And that's it. You can now see that all the duplicates were removed from the different rows. So that's how we do it. Now, the next thing we're going to check is handling missing values. In column B, you can notice that there are missing values. Handling missing values is crucial for accurate data analysis. In Excel, you can use functions like if, isBlank, and VLOOKUP to handle missing values. Now let's try to handle missing values using Copilot, in case we do not know how to do it manually. So let's enter the prompt. So what Copilot does here is that it actually calculates. In this case, it cannot directly perform the action. Instead, it calculates the average. And this is it now. The average is 58. Everywhere we have missing values, it adds 58. Copilot creates a new column and fills column B's missing values with the calculated average. The next step is formatting data. Properly formatted data is easier to analyze and visualize. In Excel, you can format data using the Format Cells option. But let's see how Copilot can help someone who does not know how to do it manually. So let's enter a prompt to format data here. Format column C as currency. Auto-fit column C from C2 to C8. Apply. And we can observe now that it has applied a currency format in dollars. Next, we want to see how we can split columns. Splitting columns is useful when you need to separate data into multiple columns. Let's see how Copilot can guide us through it. Here we have a prompt. Split column D into two columns using a comma as the delimiter. It first says it can't handle this directly, but it will guide us in doing it. So let's follow the steps. It says, select the range of data in column D. So I select the range of data in column D. Then, after selecting, what does it ask me to do next? Go to the Data tab in the ribbon. click Text to Columns. In the Data tab, select Text to Columns. Then, in Text to Columns, choose the Delimited option and click Next. Delimited. Yes. OK. Next. We choose comma as the delimiter. Then we click Next. And then choose Text. And then Finish. OK, we see it didn't separate correctly, so let's undo it. Let's check the full instruction before moving on. Next, choose the destination column for the split data in adjacent columns and click Finish. So let's do it again. Delimited, Next, comma, Next. Destination. OK, this is where we need to choose. We want the destination to be H1 and I1. That's what we want. And we set the data type to text. You simply select where you want the separated values to appear. And that's it. One part stays and the other moves to the next column. Now this column is no longer useful to us because the data has already been separated. John Smith, Alice Johnson, everything looks correct. Next, we want to check merging columns. We want to merge column E and column F. Let's ask Copilot. All right, merge column E and column F into a single column with a space in between. Copilot cannot directly do it, but it shows us how. To merge column E and column F into one column with a space between them, use the following formula in a new column. We copy the formula, go to a new column and paste it. And that's it. Done. As easy as ABC. Now you can see that even if you don't know Excel very well, Copilot helps you do it without any issues. It simplifies everything. Once all these transformations are completed, we can clear the previous columns and work with the new table, which makes our analysis and visualization much easier. So that was it for this lecture. See you in the next one.